Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda HNESS headlight. First, understand that correct headlight aim is crucial for safe riding, ensuring you see the road clearly without dazzling oncoming traffic. This guide will walk you through the straightforward process of fine-tuning your bike's headlight beam for optimal performance and safety. Before you begin, ensure your Honda HNESS is parked on a flat, level surface, ideally about 25 feet away from a wall or garage door. This provides a clear reference point for your beam. You will need one essential tool, a long Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal riding weight. Now, let's find the adjustment point. Look closely at the bottom left side of your headlight unit. You will see a small, circular hole. Carefully insert your long Phillips head screwdriver into this opening. It will engage with a small pinion gear inside, which controls the vertical movement of your headlight beam. To adjust the beam, turn the screwdriver clockwise to raise the headlight's throw or counterclockwise to lower it. Make small, gradual adjustments and observe the beam pattern on the wall. Aim for the brightest part of the beam to be slightly below the horizontal center. Take a short test ride to confirm the adjustment provides clear visibility without causing glare for others.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.